Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Audi A5 review. Bob Hernandez. If the A4 sedan is too conventional, Audi offers the A5 in two-door coupe and convertible body styles, as well as a five-door fastback. The current second-generation model was introduced for 2020 and receives a handful of new features for 2024. It doesn't have many direct sloped roof competitors, the closest being the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe. For information on Audi's athletic S5, visit here. For more about the BMW M Fighting RS5, visit here. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron updates for the 2024 A5 include standard adaptive cruise control, Audi active lane assist, and parking system plus driver assist features. Standard heated steering wheel with hands-on detection. Standard remote engine start on every model except the entry-level A5 Sportback 40. Traffic sign recognition, predictive adaptive cruise control, and a trial subscription to Audi Connect Plus have been added to the available navigation package. Available Progressive Red Metallic takes the place of Tango Red Metallic in the exterior color range, and Arcona White replaces Ibis White. What we think Chevron for a competent, upscale, and attractive compact luxury car. We have few complaints about the A5. We love its fantastic design, inside and out, as well as its high build quality. It's available in 3 distinct body styles. Plus, fuel economy for the Sportback base model isn't too shabby. Nothing stands out about the driving experience, though. For some excitement, you'll have to look to the S5 or RS5 performance models, which cost significantly more. A fair amount of tire noise creeps into the cabin at highway speeds. And although it's not sports car expensive, most models start north of $50,000. Performance and MPG's Chevron all 2024 A5s work with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder, 7-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Output is rated at 261 horsepower and 273 pounds-to-feet of torque unless you get the Sportback base model, which makes only 201 horsepower and 236 pounds-to-feet. The EPA pegs 2024 A5 Sportback efficiency at 26/35 miles per gallon city, highway, but those numbers get worse in models with more power. Last year's Coupe, Sportback S-Line, and Cabriolet received 24 miles per gallon in the city and between 31 and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on model. This year's numbers should be about the same. Is the 2024 A5 quick? Chevron not like the sport models with the V6 engine, but it holds its own. A 2018 we tested sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds, which just eclipses by 0.1 second what BMW thinks its torquey 430iX drive coupe can do. For sub 5-second runs, you'll need an S5 or RS5. Safety ratings and features. Chevron the ES gave the 2023 A5 Coupe and Sportback a 2022 Top Safety Pick Plus award after Audi updated headlights to standard combination LED projector, reflector headlights across the lineup. We expect the same award for the 2024 model. As for the NSA, it gives just the 2023 Sportback a 5-star overall safety rating. Other variants remain unrated. Audi plays a little catch-up this year with driver assist features, equipping every A5 with standard adaptive cruise control, a lane keeping system, and fancy new parking sensors. Automatic emergency braking and automatic high beams were already standard and should remain so. Available blind spot and rear cross-traffic monitoring are standard on higher trim levels. Cargo space and interior room chevron. The 2024 A5 with the most cargo volume is the Sportback, endowed with 21.8 cubic feet of space for stuff under its rear hatch. The trunk on the coupe is good for only 10.9 cubes, and with its retractable roof taking up space, the cabriolet comes with only 9.3 cubic feet. Forward legroom is the same across all A5 models, 41.3 inches, but the Sportback has the most rear legroom with 35.1 inches. It also has the most rear headroom, but the cabriolet surprisingly has the most front headroom, with the top up, of course, at 38.3 inches. Technology chevron wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen, and LED headlights are standard fare across the lineup this year. Audi also adds several new standard features to the 2024 A5 Premium base model. A wireless phone charger, 12.3-inch instrument cluster display, and 19-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio are unlocked at the Premium Plus level. The A5 Prestige top model offers a standard head-up display, headlight washers, and an exterior lighting welcome animation. Trim levels and prices. Chevron. The 2024 Audi A5 is offered in 4 models and available in 3 trims this year: Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige. The entry-level Sportback Premium is the most affordable and comes with a sticker just above $46,500. Sportback S-Line and Coupe S-Line pricing is almost identical, the only difference being $300 more for the Sportback S-Line's Prestige top trim. At the top end of the scale, the convertible cabriolet S-Line is the priciest non-S or RS in the lineup and retails for about $65,000. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.